Welcome back to the channel. It is the first day of school for my little one, so I'm gonna go meet up with him at school. First day of kindergarten. Got the red key like always. Let's see if this remote start actually works today. It should. I got gas, so it should work. Cold start, top of the morning. It's gonna be a fun video for you today. Today I got going over the mods. I'm gonna be very transparent. This whole YouTube channel, nothing to hide. All the upgrades I'm doing to my car, the horsepower, the base numbers, so stay tuned. Go over all my mods today. But first, cold start, let's get it. Letting my car warm up. I will get back with you guys later on today, going over the secret list, the list of modifications for the Hellcat coming soon. If you have any questions, like I said, like always, comment below. I'll get them answered for you. I'm gonna be very transparent with this YouTube channel. Everything on this vehicle is stuff that I purchased. I worked hard for. Like I said, I'm not gonna be hiding anything. You guys would know everything I do to this car. Peace. All right, guys, I'm back. Got done with the first day of school with my kiddo. Like I told you before, we're going over the list of modifications for my car. I'm pretty sure I will nail everything on there. The install is set here in the next couple weeks, and so we'll have another video. Oh, we'll have a video before that, but we'll have a video of all the parts going on, the dyno, the baseline. Hopefully the baseline is over 650, but we'll see. But the list of mods, this is what we're going with for the Hellcat, the bagged Hellcat, to hopefully get me into the 9-second mark. I'm going with the Cook's long tube headers with the catless mid pipes. I'm going full E85 on this car with the flex fuel tune. So we have the bigger injectors. We are, let me look at my list. I'm going with a 2.75 upper pulley, a 10% lower. We're porting the manifold, intake manifold. It's gonna get ported with a tune, and hopefully that will put me hopefully 800 plus to the wheel mark, but we will see. As soon as we get all the stuff installed, I will get on the dyno tune, get you accurate numbers on it. We'll be on a Mustang dyno, so numbers I guess are a little lower than a actual other dyno that other people use. So like I said, it would be actual legit numbers on the dyno. But if you have any questions about anything, the drivability of it, I'm gonna be driving it a lot. I'm not doing all this stuff to park it in the garage or just drive to the racetrack every other weekend. Like, I'm gonna be driving this thing constantly. So if you're thinking about doing these mods, I could be your guinea pig on this one. A lot of people have already done these mods before, so this is nothing new. So like I said, I've been wanting to do this for a while. Finally pulled the trigger on it. I'm excited. 700 horsepower, I guess, wasn't enough, so I'm definitely trying to get it into high 800 to the wheel horsepower mark, and still drive to a car show and air it out just fine. So hopefully I can still air out with the long tubes. I probably won't be able to touch frame, but I'll definitely still get low. I know it's gonna sound crazy. Like I said, I'm excited for it. If you have any questions below, I'm an open book, so I will answer anything and everything. If you're in Oklahoma area, I will be excited to do a video with you. So please comment below on what kind of car you have. When can we link up? This channel is going to be one of those deals where I'm not going to be going to car dealerships to review cars. I'm going to actually be reviewing cars that people actually own, people are actually educated about. I'll be the first person to tell you that I am not the one just to lie about a whole bunch of different parts on cars, all that stuff. I will let the people talk for themselves. Like I said, I'm excited for the channel. Make sure you subscribe. I'm looking forward to future videos. And before we head out, though, do some quick little pulls on the highway on my way home. Nothing crazy. Like I said, as of right now, I have the LMI intake on this thing, so the whine is insane. So I'll get some pulls on the highway, and I'll see you next time. Alrighty, I'm about to hop on the freeway. It's time to go. This is the only time I go fast, to be honest with you. It's whenever I'm getting on the freeway. So I keep everything legal. I'm not going to be showing you videos of me going 110 miles per hour on a freeway, putting other people's lives in danger. I don't do that stupid stuff. So if you're looking for that on my channel, you are not going to get it. But I'll get on the freeway fast, and then I coast. This car is a beast. I don't know why I want more horsepower, but I do. And I want it to be the fastest bag Hellcat. Hopefully I'm coming for those guys in Texas too. So definitely want to go to the track and be able to air it out while I'm cooling it off, and then get on the track and run high nines. So like I said, I'm excited for this car. I'll do one last little pull, get some distance from this car. Yeah, this thing's crazy. I will see you later. If you have any questions, like I said, comment below. All right, I thought I was done, but I got my iced coffee from Jack in the Box. Oh, that's good. And I was thinking, like, y'all are probably thinking that was probably the weakest pull ever in life. So I was like, I'm gonna give you guys a real pull. Let this car go. Here we go. That's all I got for you. That's the highlight of my life. That's as fast as I want to go. I'm not gonna wreck this car before I get these mods. After the mods, then it's a different story. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna wreck this car at all. But y'all haven't had the caramel iced coffee from Jack in the Box, you're welcome. Go taste it. Thank me later. Peace.